Hello, today I'm going to show you how to texture paint rivets or screws in Blender. In this video, we will learn how to create screws and rivets in Blender without creating any solid object. This method will help you to add extra realistic texture easily. For the texture paint, we have to create PNG image file using Photoshop or any other image editing software. Create 200 by 200 pixel transparent Photoshop file. Draw a circle using shape tools and adjust the circle to the maximum size. Next, fill the circle with white color and turn off the stroke. Now draw a rectangle like this and follow me as I do. Just smooth the corners of the rectangle and fill the rectangle with the black color. Adjust the rectangle or align it with the center of the image. Now copy the rectangle by click and drag left mouse button and holding Alt key. Now rotate it with 90 degrees at the angle and create plus-like shape. Create another copy of the rectangle by click and drag with holding Alt key. Adjust the height of the rectangle to create square-like shape. And align it with the center of the image. I'm gonna rotate it with 45 degrees to create more realistic screw shape. After it, save the image file in PNG format and rename it to Screw Plus. Open Blender, create a cube, or you can use default cube by Blender. I'm gonna add bevel modifier to the cube and shade it smooth to reflect light more realistically. Now open the Shading tab to add some color to the cube. I'm creating dark green color for dark green metallic paint. I'm setting up roughness down to 0.214 and metallic value 0.386 to like shiny metallic paint. I'm gonna add an image texture node to the normal input of the principal BSDF shader. Press Shift-A to search for the image texture. Now connect color output of the image texture to the normal input of the principal BSDF. I'm going to create new image with 4K resolution and rename it as Screws. Remember, don't create low resolution texture, it may look weird. Check 32-bit float and set RGB color value to 0.5 and alpha value to 1. Select interpolation cubic and color space to non-color. Press Shift-A to search for the bump node and add it in between image texture and principal BSDF. Connect color output of the image texture to the height input of the bump node. For the texture paint, we have to UV unwrap the object. Without UV unwrap, we can't texture paint the object. To UV unwrap, select the object and hit Tab key to go into the edit mode of the object. Press U to open UV mapping menu. Now select Smart UV project and click OK. Now we have UV unwrapped the object successfully. Open the Texture Paint tab and change Solid Mode into Material Preview mode. Click on Brush tab and rename it Screws Plus. Click on Texture tab to create new texture for the brush. Change Tile Mapping to Plane View Mapping. I'm gonna change texture name as Screw Plus. Click on Texture Property and add image that we have created with Photoshop. Now we can see in preview we have image that we have created. Click on Stroke tab to change stroke properties. Now we can paint screws.